You gonna mute me like Shu? No, I don't mute. I'll mute your ass. Mute this bitch. Mute that bitch.
Ding dong.
We don't mute. We execute. Good. You have a great rest of your weekend.
Tink. Toink. Kirby.
We're on one tonight.
It doesn't even look like I'm wearing a shirt.
Yeah, we're gonna get banned for nudity.
The button.
And then I'm gonna have to appeal, and everyone's gonna get mad and take like 5 minutes.
Appeal these. Like a snake. I don't know what lives do to me.
Yeah. Me either.
Cool, watch it.
My burps might smell worse.
It was spaghetti and meatball.
Yeah, onions.
Spaghetti
And I
meatball.
had onions on mine. Whew. What's up? She's geeking out right now. We're having a fun night.
I won't do it.
You can, you know. What a monster. What does your family think of you two? That's a great question. Oh, God.
Kimmy!
What's
It's the
up?
world burper fucking record.
Hey, I brought my sister to do
Look,
the
hold on, Kimmy.
what is
Kimmy,
it called?
hold on.
Speed dating.
Wait, are you talking?
Yeah, sorry.
Hold on. My music is so loud because I can't hear anything.
My burps are so loud I can't hear anything.
I know, I've heard them.
I don't know. I was just guessing. I don't even know my name on TikTok.
My name is fucking Jessica.
Oh, yeah, I was getting there. Jessica.
And if you don't like it, I can prove it because I got a tattoo of it on my butt.
Probably his ex-girlfriend.
No, it's not. I've never tattooed a single girlfriend's name on my body. I'm not that stupid. Yeah! Let's go! No. Yes, let's continue that. We were supposed to. What? I can't. You know, I used random.
Oh.
No, do it. Go ahead. Perform right now. Man, that all is like pretty weak. I thought you guys were trying to show something. She is the burp queen, Max. She fucking decibeled 7.3. 7.3, like how many times?
107.3.
107.3.
And I'll do it again.
You know, there's nothing sexier than a woman throwing up. I'm talking about you guys right now. It's like you gotta, if you're gonna do the awesome burps, then do the awesome ones. Don't do throw up. Don't throw up on me.
The drown. I call it the drown.
Yeah, we call it. We like to do on command and natural, closed mouth, up close, tongue out.
What?
Smells laugh.
You guys need to stop it.
We're both top 15% for a reason.
What do you mean? Tongue out? Oh, Malix wants the tongue out. Yeah! Yeah! Fuck yeah! That was grimy as fuck! What?
Grimy! It's the calcium! Grimy!
Yes! I mean, it was awesome, grimy. It was awesome, grimy. Wait. Wait, Melissa, you got burps, Melissa?
Well, she can make money.
No, Melissa, you got burps? You got some burps? Wait, is there like money in burping?
Money in anything.
What's it called?
What's it called?
Yeah, what's it called?
It's called a fetish.
Yeah, that's I know, but what's it called?
A burp fetish.
That's just it? Plain and simple. Hey, I'll say it, burp fetish. I think we need to invite some people. I think that's what needs to happen.
Yeah, let us burp on them. It'll be so much fun. We'll prank anybody you know.
I don't know anybody.
Oh, okay, me neither.
I know nobody.
I only know Shunai.
I was only gifted life to ignore everyone.
Peter's not going too well right now.
Why not? Oh. Lies. It's fine. It's just going. Oh, are those the colors that it shows? Princess Peach.
At the end of the line,
I'll make you mine. Oh. And she puts it on.
Work her good.
We're good.
Work her good.